friends, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. It's a very cozy and rainy Friday afternoon, and it's supposed to rain all weekend, and I'm so excited about it. I love the rain so much. I wanted to take you along with me as I spend a weekend doing my favorite rainy day activities. I want to watch movies and YouTube videos, read, make yummy food, and go to a cozy cafe and bookstore. So snuggle up and make yourself a nice hot cup of tea, and let's begin this rainy weekend together. So we don't have a dishwasher in the cottage, and before I moved in I was a little bit worried that I would struggle with the volume of dishes that I have to do because I cook so much and I create a lot of recipes for work. But I've actually come to really enjoy my time doing the dishes because I just set my phone up here on the lamp, and then I catch up on all of my favorite YouTubers' videos while I do the dishes. Good morning, friends. It rained all night and I slept so well. I definitely get my best sleep when it's raining. I made a cup of my favorite mint green tea to sip on as I wake up. Today, Alex and I are going to drive to a little river town nearby and go to a cafe for brunch and then visit a bookstore. I've only been living here for 2 months, and I still have yet to find a nearby bookstore that I really love. So I'm very excited to visit this one. The weather has been so chilly lately that it honestly feels more like fall than spring. It had been so nice and warm for a few weeks that I had actually packed away my fall sweaters, but today I had to pull them back out so I could bundle up before we spend time walking outside. We are on the way to go get coffee and go to the bookstore.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, closer than justice dead. In the eye of time, nobody's losing. Faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. We'll always remember how
So I just got back home and I wanted to show you what I got from the bookstore. But first, look at this necklace. I saw it at one of the shops and Alex got it for me as a gift and I love it. But back to books. So I picked up Devotions by Mary Oliver, which I've actually read a lot of it before, but I don't have my own copy, so I wanted to get a copy for myself. And I also got The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, which I've heard a lot of amazing things about, and a lot of people have recommended this book. So that's what I got, and they also gave me this really cute bookmark. I'm not sure if you can hear the rain on the window, but it is still raining. It's been raining all day long, so I'm going to go get changed into some comfy clothes and start another cozy night in. Like Elizabeth Bennet walking through the fields in the rain. So as you can see, it rained a little bit more than I anticipated when I left. Whenever I need motivation to walk or run in the rain, I just picture myself as a Regency character running through the fields to find my love, and it works. I actually love running in the rain though. It makes me feel so free. I'm not sure why, but I've always been that way.